all Americans should receive basic medical health care. No country has grown when the numbers of sick people are too much. The right to free health care should be our right and not a privilege. The delivery of the health care in this country has been a matter of debate over a period. The nation, which is built upon the ideals of self-reliance, capitalism, individualism, and determinism, has struggled through years to offer what is not only fundamental to human existence, but touches on people directly: the healthcare delivery. According to Weisfeld, the best and most valuable service that a country should give to its citizens is to ensure they are healthy. Therefore, to prevent unnecessary deaths in a sickening country, I believe that all Americans should receive primary health care under the National Health Care Plan. First and foremost, many Americans are unable to pay for medical expenses, hence put their lives in jeopardy during severe illnesses. According to Weisfeld, about 45 million of Americans are uninsured. On the same note, 1 in 5 adults under age 65 and nearly 1 in 10 children are uninsured. Uninsured individuals experience more risk in their health than insured individuals. Mainly it means that some people have to pay their medical bills without any assistance from other insurance companies or organizations. Notably, the United States is one of the countries that has the most expensive healthcare system in the world. Hence, not all people can afford the medical expenses, especially for serious illness. It therefore means about 45 million Americans live in trepidation and risk to die if in any case they are attacked by certain dangerous diseases. Secondly, by denying some individuals the right to treatment, the government is violating the American Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution of the United States clearly asserts to promote the general welfare of individuals. This justification alone is evidence that all Americans have the right to health care, since it promotes individuals' well-being. Although the opponents of the primary health care argue that this system is very expensive, it is important to note that the lives of people are more significant than any other thing for a country that holds several titles as the free world, superpower, and many others. It is quite surprising that the state uses half of its budget on military and only 10% to offer medical services to its people. Lastly, access to a comprehensive health care should be the right to every individual. It is the responsibility and the mandate of society through the government to provide health care services to its people. Coverage should not be tied to one's ability to pay or the employment. It is not justice for people to have services to depend on their income, or since it advocates that an individual who is morally just has participated momentously to the nation is valued less than the other person who has deceived their ways to wealth. In summary, I believe that all Americans should receive basic medical health care under the National Health Care Plan. This is because not all citizens have the ability, and it is injustice to see them dying when the government solves this situation. It is not only ethical to violate the Constitution that commands the government to promote the welfare of people. Lastly, the nation looks like it prioritizes the lives of the rich and does not care about the poor. Justice is required. Thank you.